Morning guys! So today I'm using, I don't know if you can see in this, I'm using a massive camera. It's really hard to hold. But today I wanted to vlog my weekend. It's really heavy, I might stop it here. So yesterday we got a kitten and I'm really excited to show you, so I thought I'd vlog that. And also it's nearly Christmas, so we're doing all decorating and stuff, so I'll show you the mess I've made with my dad. Yeah, we have a lot of Christmas bits. Oh, baby! What is she doing? We're having work done, by the way, so if you hear loads of noise, it's that. Look at this bowl. Ignore the food because that's a bit gross, but it's got like glitter and inside, like in the phone case. Oh, so cute. But this is her little setup. We've got, what's this? Why is there a tissue there? We've got her this little strawberry bed with all these little mice. She loves her little mice, honestly, I can't even tell you. And then we've got this scratchy thing, a fish. Oh, she loves this. And she loves her huggy toy as well. Okay. See? Go for it. Don't play with my feet, not right now. Just wait a sec. Oh, here we go, we can see her. Hello, silly buddy. Hello, silly Billy. Ow, you're quite sharp. We need to get rid of those nails. I got your feet. I got your feet. Ah. Ow, that was right in. Get off. Why didn't you hug your Mr. Hugskins? Oh yeah, give him a good old hug. This is Misa, and she's only like 11 weeks. What are you doing? Come give me a cuddle.
She fell asleep on my belly, and it was so cute. She fell asleep right here.
Ah. She doesn't like cuddles that much. What's this? What are you doing? No, you can't get under there, mate. Oh, hello!
It's always a lie.
Wow. Hiya. Oh, okay. We're watching a Christmas movie and are about to do some wrapping. Right, can you stop creating like a snowstorm in here, please, with dust?
Looks like it's gonna snow today.
On the baby.
That's your name.
Say hiya.
Hiya.
Hello. Guys, I appreciate your time. Just made some pesto pasta for everyone. Just editing some of my Lanzarote October 2017 trip and watching Come Dine With Me with a Christmas candle. Oh yeah. Oh, where's Misa? I think she's asleep in a little... Won't you stay another day? Hi, Misa. Misa is trying to take apart our Christmas trees. Oh, she's so baby. Hey guys, so currently it is Sunday and Misa has found a comfy place underneath the tree. Literally, she's tried like 3 times to climb up it and she gets, yeah, she gets to about there and then we have to take her off, otherwise she's gonna fall off. She's falling asleep, bless her. But it won't focus on her because she's so dark, you can't really see. Oh, it's focused. Oh, she's so cute. She loves cuddles. She loves it when they rub her belly. Look at the gorgeous day it is. I'm just editing through all the footage from yesterday and looking after the kitty. Hi! What's she doing? She's in the middle of the tree.
Oh my god, I can see a little belly. She's standing up. No, Misa.
Well, I mean, this isn't a sight you see every day. You good?
Yeah.
You're wedged underneath the Christmas tree? Just watching some Friends. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video and I hope you love Misa as much as I do. If you like this video, remember to like and subscribe and I'll see you next time. Bye!